Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AIPI IV. I'm from AIPI Makassar. My major is Nautical Department Level 2.
And my name is Moses Christopher, my major Nautical Level 2.
Captain, we have received a report about unauthorized cargo transfer.
That is serious violations. We must report immediately.
Do we have to notify the port authorities as well?
Yes, we must follow the international regulations and inform them.
What if the crew refuses to cooperate?
They cannot refuse. Every crew member has to follow legal protocols. Captain, we have received reports about an unauthorized cargo transfer.
That is a serious violation. We must report it immediately.
Do we have notified the port's authorities as well?
Yes, we must follow the international regulation and inform them.
What if the crew refuse to cooperate?
They cannot refuse. Every crew member have to follow legal protocols.